Okay, so we are going to start by discussing the mammalian circulatory system, which first we're going to talk about the three main components: the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood. Now, we have a closed double circulatory system. A closed double circulatory system is not just there to sound really fancy. It actually has meaning. Each of the words in that phrasing has meaning. A closed system is a system that does not open to the outside, at least not on purpose. It doesn't open to the outside or to an internal body cavity to allow for the bulk mixing of fluid. All the exchange will occur through diffusion. So, in a closed system, you are not vomiting out your blood, letting it mix with the atmosphere, and then quickly sucking it back in. That's not a thing that you do. If it is a thing that you do, you should probably go get that checked out. Like, really soon. Like pause the video. It's okay. We'll still be here when you get back. A double circulatory system is the circulatory system that is divided into a pulmonic and a systemic system. So a pulmonic system is going to perfuse the lungs, pulmonary, and the systemic system is going to perfuse the entire system, so the rest of the body. Now, this time, perfuse is not derived from Greek. It's actually derived from French, perfuser, which is to pour over or pour through. So, yes, I know, that is not a French accent, and I'm not going to butcher it, so there. Now, a single open system would be a system that has just a systemic system, or just has the systemic circulation, just one circuit, and it does open to the outside or to an open body cavity. And for example, all the exchange, if it was a closed system, all the exchange would occur through diffusion, but it would occur through diffusion through just the skin, for example. If it was a single closed system, all the perfusion would occur through the skin. If it was a open double system, then it would be a system where there would be a pulmonic system that opened into an internal body cavity where all the blood would dump into an open cavity that would mix with the outside air and then be pumped back into the systemic circulation. That is not how the fish do it with their gills. They have a pulmonary system as well, just the gills are the lungs. Those just allow water to flow over the gills, instead of how we have it where we take the air into our lungs, inflate them, and then deflate them. Now, effectively, you are a giant bag of salt water. That is how I see you, although right now I'm seeing you effectively as a camera. But you're a bag of salt water. But you're a bag of salt water that's in discrete bits. So your discrete bits are effectively your head and arms, your lungs, your heart, your liver and bowels, your kidneys, and your flanks and legs.
Oh,
in the
cut.
groin area.
Yeah, I can't read any of that.
That's fine. I'll go over it.
You sure?
Yeah, I'll go over it.
Okay.
You can see the picture, though.
Yes, but no words.
That's fine. I'll go
All right.
over it.